Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. We're going to explore 3 small but super important words that help us talk about time in English. In on and at. These are called prepositions of time, and using them correctly makes your English sound natural and accurate. Let's dive in. Let's start with the preposition in. We use in when we talk about longer, more general periods of time. Use in for months, years, centuries,
parts of the day,
long periods. Examples are in July, in 1999, in the morning, in the 21st century, in summer. We use in for larger, more general periods of time. Think of it as something that happens inside a block of time.
Here's a tip.
In equals inside a time period. Can you try this? Which is correct? A in Monday, B in 2005, C in 3 p.m. The answer is
B.
Next up, on. We use on for specific days and dates. We use on for
Days, dates,
specific days, including holidays with day. Days plus parts of the day. Here are the examples. On Monday, on July 4th, on Christmas Day, on my birthday, on Saturday evening. On is used when we're talking about specific days or dates. Imagine a calendar. We place events on the calendar. Here's a tip. On equals a specific day or date. Can you try this? Which is correct? A on 2010, B on March, C on Friday. The answer is
C.
Now, let's talk about the most specific preposition of time, at. We use at for specific times, holidays without day, specific moments. Here are the examples. At 5 p.m., at midnight, at noon, at Christmas as a holiday period. At is the most precise. It's for exact times and specific points in time. Here's a tip. At equals a sharp point in time. Let's try this one. Which is correct? A. At the morning. B. At 7:30. C. At Monday. The answer is
B.
Now, let's compare in on and at side by side. Expressions in on, at. Year in 2025. Day on Monday. Time at 5 p.m. Holiday name on Christmas Day at Christmas. So remember, in equals months, years, parts of the day. On equals specific days and dates. At equals specific times or holiday periods. Let's review what you've learned with a quick quiz. Question 1. The party is blank Saturday night.
A in, B on, C at.
The answer is B, on Saturday night. Question 2. I was born blank 1998.
A in, B on, C at.
The answer is in 1998. Question 3. The train leaves blank 6:45 a.m.
A in, B on, C at.
The answer is C, at 6:45 a.m.
Great job.
You did it. Now you know how to use in, on, and at with time like a pro. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next grammar lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.